contemplation of the mind. But how does the disciple dwell in contemplation of the mind? The disciple knows the greedy mind is greedy, and the not greedy mind is not greedy. Knows the angry mind is angry, and the not angry mind is not angry. Knows the deluded mind as deluded, and the undiluted mind as undiluted. He knows the cramped mind as cramped, and the scattered mind as scattered. Knows the developed mind as developed, and the undeveloped mind as undeveloped. Knows the surpassable mind as surpassable, and the unsurpassable mind as unsurpassable. Well, a lot of things are unsurpassable or unachievable. Well, they're actually not, but knows the concentrated mind as concentrated and the unconcentrated mind as unconcentrated. Knows the freed mind as freed and the unfreed mind as unfreed. Mind is here used as a collective for the moments of consciousness. Being identical with consciousness, it should be translated by thought. Thought and thinking correspond rather to the so-called verbal operations of the mind. They are not like consciousness of primary but of secondary nature, and are entirely absent in all sensuous consciousness, as well as in the second, third, and fourth trances. See the 8th step. Thus he dwells in contemplation of the mind, either with regard to his own person, or to other persons, or to both. He beholds how consciousness arises, beholds how it passes away, beholds the arising and passing away of consciousness. Mind is there. This clear consciousness is present in him because of his knowledge and mindfulness, and he lives independent, unattached to anything in the world. Thus does the disciple dwell in contemplation of the mind.